Hello students, today we are going to do the exercise 2.7. In the first part, first sum is what must be added to 2,57,125 to get 4 lakh. Means they have given that what you have added to this number, okay, to get 4 lakh. It means here it is given the sum of the two numbers, and here is given one number and you have to find the other number. Means you can do, firstly you can write sum of two numbers is 4 lakh, that is given, and now one number is 2,57,125, and you have to find the other numbers. Means you can subtract this number from the sum of the two numbers, so you can find the other number. The other number is when you subtract 4 lakh from the 2,57,125, and the answer is 1,42,875. okay, you can do this subtraction at the side place. Now come to the second one. In the second one you have to subtract the sum of this. Means firstly they have given subtract the sum of this number from this number. Means they have given subtract the sum of 40,256 and 21,512 from the 2,11,522. Firstly you add these numbers, and then the answer which came you subtract that number from this number. Means you can do, first you can write sum of two numbers that is 40256 plus 21512, that is 40,256 and 21,512. You have to add this. Whenever you add this, the answer will be 61,768. and after that you have to they have given you have to subtract the sum of these number from this one. Means you can take the difference, you write here difference. Means you can subtract the number 2,11,542 from this number 61,768, and answer will be 1,49,774. and you can do this subtraction by self. okay, now come to the third one. In the third sum it is given that two candidates contest for the election, and 5,67,719 votes were polled in all, and if one of them got 3,25,247 votes, find the number of votes polled in the favor of the second candidate. Means they have given the total votes which are polled in all, and they have given the votes of the one candidate, and you have to find the number of votes of the other candidate, that is the second candidate. Means it is given total votes which are polled, and the votes of the one candidate, and you have to find the number of votes for the other candidate. Means you can write total votes were polled, that is 55,67,719, and one candidate got 3,25,247 votes, and you have to find the second votes of second candidate. Second candidate got, means you can subtract this number from this number, that is 5,67,719 from 3,25,247. and the votes will be 2,42,472 votes will be there. Now come to the fourth one. In the fourth sum they have given a shopkeeper had 2,45,325 kg of sugar and he sold out 84,526 kg and 85,943 kg sugar in 2 days, and you have to find how much sugar was left in the stock after the sales in the 2 days. Means here it is given total sugar and the here is given it is given sold sugar in 2 days, and you have to find the left sugar. Means this is the total sugar and you have to in the sold sugar you add these 2 sugars of the 2 days and then subtract this whenever you add these 2 sugars of the 2 days, and then the answer which came you subtract that one from the total sugar and the answer will be the sugar which left. Now see how to do. In the fourth one you can write total sugar, that is equals to 2,45,325 kg. After write sold sugar in 2 days, that is in 2 days, that is 84,526 kg plus 85,943 kg, and when you add this the answer will be 1,70,469 kg. And the left, after that you have to find the left sugar. Means you can subtract this sugar from this, means sold sugar from the total sugar from the sold one, means 245,325. This is a total sugar 2,45,325 from the 1,70,469, that will be the 74,856 kg will be the answer. Thanks.